First thing we're going to do is get a 4mm Allen, remove the airbox. Take the cover off, and then the filter is going to be in here. This one's a little dirty, not too bad. Now once that's off, we're going to take these Allens off as well. So the two little ones are 4mm. And then the larger 5mm. Forgot one more. The 4. Next step, we're gonna grab a pair of pliers and pinch this clamp off. Slide the hose off the back, and now the housing has been removed. You can see the throttle motor here. Very simple, straightforward install. Looking at the directions, anybody can figure this out. So, put the groove side obviously towards here. We're gonna get our hose, stick it on, and then reclamp it. This clamp feels really weak, but that's what they say to use. I'm gonna go look for another clamp. I don't like that. Now that the hose clamp's on, we're gonna get these 4mm Allens. Screw these on. So I went ahead and did the bottom Allen. I'm gonna put a little thread locker on here. Put these back since I almost forgot. So now we're going to grab this mounting plate and grab the little anchor, flip it over. In the middle and the bottom is a spot where we're going to put this little screw. It's an Allen head screw. And this is a 4mm. You can see it lines up. So I'm just going to screw this on here with the ratchet. I'm going to place this on here. We're going to take our supplied 5mm Allen. We're going to secure it on here. Next we're going to get our cone and line up the bolts. We got this one at the top. There I have the last center bolt. Those there are all 4mm. That's it. So I'm going to paint the front of this black so it matches the rest of the bike. I don't like how the silver looks. It actually looks really cheap. And I don't like the covers that they provide. They look a little corny to me also, so I'm just going to paint this one black. For now I'm just going to see how it sounds and how it runs. This is just to show a size comparison between the two. You can see how large this box is. So it's going to clear up a lot of room. Now you're not going to bang your right knee up here.